Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you the new method to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without using a PC. We'll be using an app called Scarlet. It's one of the easiest ways to sideload apps on iOS right now. This method, no need computer, no jailbreak needed. First, open Safari and go to my website, applejr.xyz. Scroll down and find Scarlet section. Tap Install Scarlet. Then follow the step how to install Scarlet. First, install applejr DNS. Click Allow, then install it by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded, then click Install. Once installed, go back to applejr website, then install Scarlet using the links below one by one simultaneously. Make sure Scarlet has been successfully installed. If you see an error saying that Scarlet cannot be installed, it means the app has been revoked. If you see a message that Scarlet is from an untrusted developer, it means the installation was successful. In that case, choose the Scarlet app that was successfully installed or select one of them. Then verify it by going to Settings. General, hit VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust. Now you are ready to use and launch Scarlet. Next step, you have to import a certificate into Scarlet to install any IPA files. Go to this section and hit and hold this button. Then select Manage Cert and click Import Cert. To download certificate for Scarlet, you can download it on applejr website. Go back to the website and click Download Certificate button. Once downloaded, open the certificate zip on Files app. Then uncompress the files to see the certificate file. After that, open the Scarlet app again. Click Import Cert button. Then select the certificate folder and import the certificate that you verified earlier. Import P12 and mobile provision file into Scarlet. And type WSF for the certificate password. Once imported, you can now ready to install any IPA file. Then tap this button to import IPA files. Select your IPA file from Files app or download location. Scarlet will automatically sign and install it onto your device. If you see the error, unable to install on Scarlet, it means the SSL has been blocked by the DNS. If you get an error like this, here's how to fix it using NextDNS. Open App Store, then download NextDNS. Once installed, enable NextDNS. Once installed, enable NextDNS and make sure the DNS settings look like this on the settings. After that, try installing the IPA files again using Scarlet. As you can see, the IPA files have been successfully installed on your device. And that's it. You've just learned the new method to install IPA files on iPhone and iPad with Scarlet. No PC required. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the latest iOS tutorials.